Better accelerating at a constant rate. Displacement 28 meters. Time 11 seconds. What is average velocity? First thing, solve for acceleration. You have x equals half acceleration times squared. 28 equals half unknown acceleration time 11 seconds squared. You have 121 times a times half equals 28. Distribute the half. You now have 60.5 a equals 28. Divide both sides by 60.5. You now have an acceleration of 0.463 meters second squared. That's the first step. Now using the acceleration equation. Acceleration equals the change of velocity over time. 0.463 equals change of velocity. Time given 11 seconds. Multiply both sides by 11. You have a change of velocity being 5.091 meters a second. Keep in mind the initial velocity was 0, which means final velocity is 5.091, and you're solving for the average. You add both of these together and divide by 2. You now have 2.545 meters per second average velocity. This matches B the most.